Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A very warm welcome to the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 4, Subject EVS 1, Lesson number 16. Students, this is one of the interesting chapter because this we all experience in our day-to-day life. And the topic for today's lesson is day and night. Let us see how this day and night occurs regularly. Kids, we stay on the planet Earth. Yes? So, the Earth gets light from the sun and the Earth shape is like a very large ball. Every day we see day chasing night and night chasing the day. Students, the meaning of the word chasing is to run after somebody or something in order to catch it. Students, here we see that every day, after the day, the night appears, and after the night, again the day appears. That means night comes after day and then day follows the night. And this cycle goes on without stopping. Students, look at this picture very carefully. Here, the yellow circle is the sun and the earth is moving around it. Students, when you observe this picture carefully, you will see the earth is moving around the sun. But while going around the sun, it is moving around itself too. So, while going around the sun, the earth turns around itself. Kids, this picture shows the movement of the earth around itself. The spinning of the earth around itself is called the rotation of the earth. In this picture, the earth is moving around the sun. The movement of the earth around the sun is called the revolution of the earth. We experience day and night every day. Students, as we have learned that the earth rotates as well as revolves. It revolves around the sun and it rotates around itself. Students, because of this, the light of the earth does not reach the entire earth at the same time. And because of this, half of the earth gets the sunlight while the other half remains in darkness. As it is clearly shown in the picture, the portion of the earth that is facing the sun is in light, whereas the other part is in darkness. We all know the whole day has 24 hours. But are there always 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness? I think so, no. It's not every time. So let us understand how the duration of day and night is. Students, look at this picture. It shows the different months and different dates. Let us understand the duration from 22nd of March to 21st of June. On 22nd March, day and night both are of 12 hours long. Then in our part of the earth, daytime increases slowly and nighttime decreases. This goes on till 21st of June. On 21st June, our day is the longest and the night is the shortest. Let's find the duration from 21st of June to 22nd of September. From 21st of June to 22nd September, in our part of the earth, daytime becomes shorter and shorter and the nights become longer. And on 22nd September, our day is of 12 hours long and the night too is of 12 hours. Let's find out the duration of the day and night from 22nd of September to 22nd of December. From 22nd September to 22nd December, the day continue to become shorter and shorter and the nights continue to become longer. Students, this you might experience right now as the dates are going on between September and December. Students, as you will experience this, in the evening the sun sets early, but in the morning too it rises late. It is only because of this the day becomes shorter and the night continues to be longer. On 22nd December, our night is the longest and the day is the shortest. The duration from 22nd of December to 22nd of March. From 22nd December to 22nd March, the day grows longer and the night shorter. Students, by the end of December, as the winter season is about to get over, the day starts becoming longer and the night starts becoming shorter. This goes on till 22nd March. From 22nd March, this cycle repeats again. Now let's find out the duration of day and night during the summer and the winter season. During summer season, days are longer and nights are shorter, whereas in winter season, nights are longer and days are shorter. Always remember this. There is a connection between the seasons and the changing lengths of days and nights. Let us summarize this chapter in short. As the light of the sun does not reach the whole earth at the same time, there is daylight on half of the earth while there is darkness on the other half. The earth spins around itself, so the part that faces the sun goes into darkness and the part that is in the dark comes into the light. That is why we have day and night on the earth alternately. The whole day has 24 hours, but in the whole year, only on March 22nd and September 22nd, we have both day and night of 12 hours each. From December to June, the days get longer, while from June to December, the day gets shorter. We will be meeting soon with another video of EVS 1. Till then, keep learning something new every day. Thank you.